Hello, welcome to another episode of Kaleidoscope Corner. My name is Melonie Maldonado, and with me I have my co-host Bijan. And we also have Diana Carlos. She is the clinical director at our Rockledge location. So thank you, Diana, for coming today.
Thank you for having me again.
I heard you were going to talk to us today about hand washing.
Yes. So in line with all of the precautions that we're taking in order to prevent the transmission of the COVID-19 virus, we want to teach our kids to wash their hands properly.
So Diana, when should we wash our hands?
So everyone should wash their hands before and after they eat, and also after they use the restroom. Very important.
Wow. Now I heard there's something called task analysis. Can you kind of describe to us what you would do with the washing the hands?
Sure. So a lot of times when we teach our kids to wash their hands properly in the clinic, we'll use a task analysis, which basically means we're breaking down all the steps in washing our hands, from turning on the water to wetting our hands, getting soap, making sure that we're scrubbing all parts of our hands, washing the soap off, turning it off, and drying it afterwards.
Now, I will say that, in the clinic setting, watching the kiddos wash their hands, a lot of them do it really, really quick. Like I'm talking like maybe 5 seconds, they go in. They might rub everything, like all the soap, but then they rinse it off and they're done.
Yeah, so the recommendation is to wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. And a great way to teach your kids to do this would be to pick their favorite song, or if they can count, teaching them to count. My personal favorite is the ABC song, because everyone knows that one. And if you do that once or twice, depending on how quickly or how slow you sing it, that'll get you to 20 seconds.
Awesome. Well, it's been a pleasure having you, Diana, on behalf of myself and Melonie Maldonado. Check out your CDC guidelines for more information, and please refer to your behavior analyst if you have specific questions.
You can also check out some of our previous Kaleidoscope Corner videos on how to use forward chaining and backward chaining in order to teach hand washing.